So, hello guys, welcome to our new video. We are creating a new playlist for today's video. It's called the Google Earth Engine for the land cover applications. So, in today's video, we will learn how we can download the free 10-meter resolution land cover classification data from the Google Earth Engine. So, we can download it within seconds for any region. So it's again a data set which is available globally, and what are the classifications classes which are present in this data set, and what is its resolution. So what is the data set which is available, and what is its uh, uh, cycle for each image, we'll see in today's video. So let's start by defining our region of interest. So today we are going to have Kerala in the Indian country for our region of interest. So let us search FAO. So here you can see the global, the administrative unit 2015. So it's a country boundary, and the first level administrative units stands for it's a state, and the second level administrative units are the districts in case of India. So I'm gonna import the first level administrative unit, which is a state. So you can rename it as data, or any kind of this one. So we are getting some error. I think there is some internet problem. Let's refresh this. So yeah. So let's search now FAO and import our first level administrative unit. Yeah, and rename it as a state. And we should also move to India and zoom into Kerala. So switch to satellite mode in the map player, and you can have a point in order to filter our state to Kerala region. So you can directly create a variable, say ROI is equal to. So let's select our state dataset and filter bounds to our region of interest. Not region of interest, it should be geometry. So we are filtering the entire data set of the state to our geometry, and we can add this to layer in order to know whether our region of interest is created or not. So give it a run. Our layer is loading. Yeah, our Kerala shapefile is here. So we have Kerala as our region of interest. So we will know what are the different land covers classes which are present in the Kerala today. So let's uncheck our geometry, and for having the Lancet classification. So let's search dynamic world version 1. So here it is. You can open the dataset. So it's a raster dataset, and it's available from 2015. So it is based on a 10-meter resolution sentinel data. So whenever our sentinel 2 1C collection is available from the 2015, for all those images, the Landsat, the not Landsat, the land cover classification is available in this dataset. So you can see it is starting from 2015 to present, and it has this much of bands. It has water band, the trees, grasses. For every classification land class, we have a single band, and we also have at the last label. So this will contain the all the classifications in one single band. So we have 9 classes in this particular data set, and it's of a 10-meter resolution. So it's a very useful data set for those who don't know the supervised classification, or don't know how to go for any kind of image classification. So we can readily import it and reduce it to our region of interest in order to know what are the different classes that are present in our region of interest. So let's import this dynamic world version, and you can rename it as data, and create a variable. Now let's say LULC, and select our data set and filter it to bounds, which is our region of interest. And we should also filter it to date. Say let's look at for 2024 latest only. and we cannot have the cloud filter in this particular data set, and we can use the median function or the first function in order to select the first image which are present in between these images, and you can click to our region of interest. So yeah, now let's add our LULC layer to the map to see. So before going this, we should select our band. Let's say select our label band which I have showed earlier. So if you go to the bands here, you can see label. It's an index of bands with the highest estimated probability from 0 to 8. It means that it is consisting of all the above classes in one single band. So let's select label, and we should also have the visualization parameter set for the palette. So you can again go to our data set and open it in a new tab, and you can come below. So this particular data set has every detail, and it also has a code snippet in the Java as well as the Python language. So you can just paste this and paste it and run in your Google Earth engine. So this will visualize the data set for any area. So here you can see we have the visualization palette. So just select this and come to our script, just paste it in here so that we don't have to search for the colors. So it has its default colors, so you can rename it as a palette, and we should also define the minimum value to be 0 and maximum value to be 8, because we have 9 classes starting from 0. And the palette, so we have already defined the palette, so let it be palette only, or you can rename it as say colors, and you should also rename the layer as 2024 LULC. So let's give it a run, guys. Let's see whether our data has worked or not. Yeah, one region of interest is loaded, and the second layer is loading now. Yeah, only a small amount of layer only loaded. So let's take, instead of first, we should take a median of ranges which are present in between these filters. So our layer should load now, probably. So yeah, so you can see, guys, the clear the land use land cover class for the Kerala region. You can have a full class video. So the full visualization has been showed here. You can open the settings of this 2024 LULC. Yeah, it ranges from 0 to 8, the palette which I have already given. So let's see what it contains. So let's click on the red area by using the inspector tab. So it's calculating what the image contains. So our label class is 6. So let's see what does the 6 stands for. So you should open your dataset, and you should come to the bands, and our sixth class. Here you can see it's a built-up plan. So the trees are in green color, and the grass, the flooded vegetation, the crops, the bare land, snow and ice, the water, everything we have. So if you can click on the green area, here you can see its label is loading. Yeah, its class is 1. So yeah, here you see 1 stands for the tree. So probably it's an Western Ghat region, and all the blue colors are indicating water. So like this, you can visualize all the classes in a region of interest, or you can change to any particular one class by changing its selection of the band. So simply you can select say we have the water band, we have the tree bands, and we have the grass. flooded vegetation, crops, everything. So let's go for the trees or the water. So let's go for water. So select water, and all this you can just comment it out and add the layer LULC. Leave the visualization parameters for default, and let's say water layer. So click on the run. First layer is loading. Yeah, so you can give the color to blue if you want, or it's in the grayscale. So let's search for the colors in order to have the better visualization. So you can stretch the range to 100%. It doesn't change. Its values from 0 to 0 only. And if you can come to the palette, you can give. So yes guys, let's check this color palette. So let uh, our non water area be 0. Say it's in a blank color, and the water area should be in a blue color. So if you can click on the apply, the only those areas where the water bodies are there will get highlighted. So yeah, clearly you can see our layer has been loaded, and all the blue color regions are our water bodies. So like this, you can select any band out of the 9 classification. You can select the trees, you can select the crops, you can select the built up areas, the bare lands, anything you can select, and you can have the best 10-meter resolution landscape classification, land cover classification for any of the area globally. So this is one of the truly helpful data set, and I think you liked it guys. So if you have any kind of questions or queries, you can always comment it in the comment section. Like you can ask any kind of queries. So that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching.